Now, certified the most accurate weather team in Florida, ABC Action Weather.
How you doing, everybody? Satellite picture still shows more showers and thunderstorms across the area, and we will see this pattern for the next couple of days and actually a little drier air Friday before we get our bigger changes late Saturday into Sunday. So Thursday, I think one more day of morning sunshine, early afternoon storms begin to pop up on the East Coast, and then they move across the state. But you can even begin to see that slightly drier air coming in Thursday, and I think sticking around Friday into early Saturday. Then we have to consider what's going on here. Now, the models are all over the place with this. Some, the hurricane WRF actually turns this into a hurricane and brings it into Florida. That is the exception to the rule. The majority of this keep it in this general direction. In fact, here are the spaghetti models. Watch what happens. The majority just sort of meander it in the Bay of Campeche. Can't really decide what to do with it. Now, there's a sharp trough or a front that's going to be coming in, and there's that H-WRF, by the way, that I was talking about, and there's the Canadian model, the two models that are certainly the outliers at this point. I guess even a blind squirrel finds a nut from time to time, but I really seriously doubt this is even a realistic possibility given the fact that we have a sharp trough coming in. There's going to be a ton of shear out there. So at this point in time, I'm thinking more of a rain event, and certainly, especially in the Panhandle, this is the European model, which is usually the model that gets it right. It just usually is. So watch what happens on Sunday into Monday. Heavy rains coming in from north to south. Now, pinpointing the exact spot, just too early to tell because we really don't even have a low yet. But I think at this point, we're going to be looking at a tropical storm in the western Gulf, and there's a chance that trough could bring it this way. If it does, it's going to be an extremely sheared system, more of a rain event than anything, and not a huge deal. Now, if the H-WRF or the Canadian are right, it's another story entirely, but at this point, I don't think it is. So we'll watch it and keep our eyes on it just in case it is that one time where it is right and everybody else is wrong. Either way, rain chances are much higher Sunday into Monday as whatever this is comes our way, and then things slowly dry out by the middle of the week.